Hi guys, so we're gonna make clay, and we're gonna color them like green, and we're gonna color purple and blue and pink, like, and I just love. We're gonna 2 cups of flour.
This is a cup right here.
Okay. Honey, this one.
You want to put this other cup in there? Not that one. Not that one.
But I want to do it. That's that one?
Yes.
Okay.
There.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. 3 cups of soap. There we go. Now we're all
Now
done.
we need 4 teaspoons cream of tartar.
Okay, I got.
Okay, 4 teaspoons. Put that in there. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. Two cups. Now we need 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Let me see.
Can I do it? I want to do it.
Watch out.
Mom, you got the bubble made.
It's hot. You ready to put the colors in?
Aha! Ready?
Alright.
Let me cut it out.
Here, I'll do it.
Can I do it? Can I do
Oh,
it?
no, I'm gonna do it.
After you, but
Now you gotta squeeze it. You gotta squeeze it to make the color. Okay, can you do that? think this one's about colored.
This one's not for me. Can I play it when you can use it?
Yes.
Can I play that one?
Look, there's the purple. This one's gonna be green. How's this color? Is that enough green? I think so.
I'm gonna do
Green showed up a lot better.
Look at the
Four
play
different
the guy.
colors.
This one's the color green, pink, and blue, and purple. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching.